Hello everyone, welcome to my channel God's Own Vlogger. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video.
Today we are going to talk about Kawasaki's W175 TR. The W175 TR powered by a 177cc air-cooled single-cylinder that belts out 13 PS and 13.2 Nm. The W175 TR is an entry-level street tracker based on the road-biased W175. It's offered in two variants, Standard and SE. It features a raised front fender, taller handlebar, a new exhaust and raised suspension. Kawasaki has now found a way to cash in on this growing segment by introducing the new W175 TR in Indonesia. It is the youngest street tracker from the manufacturer and is based on the road-biased W175. However, it features revised ergonomics and different underpinnings to suit its character. The W175 TR is offered in two variants, Standard and SE, priced at 1.51 lakh rupees and approximately 1.64 lakh rupees respectively. There are four color options to choose from: white, ebony, yellow and green. While it looks a lot like the W175, the W175 TR features a taller braced handlebar, a raised front fender, bash plate, a new upswept exhaust and a smaller 7-liter fuel tank. In comparison, the road-going W175 gets a larger 13.5-liter fuel tank. Changes extend to its underpinnings as well. For instance, the front and rear suspension have been raised by 35 mm and 27 mm respectively. Its 17-inch wheels, on the other hand, seem to feature dual-purpose tires. The braking setup has been carried over from the base model 220 mm disc up front and a 110 mm drum brake at the rear. The W175 TR is likely to be powered by the same 177cc air-cooled single-cylinder motor seen on the road-going W175. This unit in its current state of tune generates 13 PS at 7,500 revolutions per minute and 13.2 Nm at 6,000 revolutions per minute. It mated to a 5-speed transmission. The motor uses a carburettor instead of fuel injection to keep costs in check. From a design standpoint, the bike looks pretty conventional, a classic dome-shaped headlamp head with a teardrop fuel tank and a flat seat.
For more information, check the description box. Please support my channel by subscribing and liking the video.